Welcome to part one of restoring this 2004 Subaru WRX with my girlfriend. This car has had 12 owners and it shows, man. The last thing people did with this car is take care of it. It's got dings, it's got dents, and the paint is awful. And that's where we come in. We're gonna build this thing piece by piece until it is show car ready. We're talking everything from body to a new engine. If it's rusty, it's getting replaced. There's gonna be a lot of cutting, a lot of welding, and a ton of hours put into this vehicle. This is a car she's always wanted, and I feel like it's time we make that happen. If you like what you see, feel free to drop a follow. Together, we're gonna build something great.